Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and having a good day so far. So if your Ninja Espresso and Coffee Barista system has that clean light glowing, don't ignore it. That's your machine's way of telling you it is time to descale. Mineral buildup from water can slow down your brew, mess with the flavor of your coffee, and even shorten the life of your coffee machine. So descaling, it clears all that gunk out and keeps your machine running like new. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it so your machine stays in top shape and your coffee keeps tasting amazing. So before we get started on this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, hit that thumbs up, and with all of that said, let's get to it. Alright, let's settle this. Should you use vinegar or a descaling solution to clean your machine? Now the quick answer, both work, but there is a catch. Vinegar is cheap and easy to find. You don't have to use cleaning vinegar. Just make sure it is distilled white vinegar, not the apple cider kind your salad dressing loves. Now, some brands push their official descaler because vinegar can wear down internal parts and yep, it might void your warranty. But Ninja, their manual says you can use either a descaling solution or white vinegar. So Ninja gives vinegar the green light, at least in that first year when you are still under warranty. So with that said, for the long-term health of your machine, a proper descaling solution is the safe bet. Today I'll be using this Espresso solution. I first bought it about 3 years ago to descale my Breville, and now I have it on repeat in my Amazon cart. I use it for all my coffee gadgets and it comes in a 2-pack like this. Each bottle gives you 2 uses, so that's 4 in total. Definitely a great deal. Alright, let's walk through the descaling process, starting with the ground side. So first, place an empty carafe underneath the brew basket. And next, add your solution. So if you are using vinegar, add 16 ounces of vinegar to your water tank, and then top it off with water to the full line. And if you're using a descaler, just follow the instructions on the bottle. For this one, they want me to empty half the bottle, which is about 4 ounces, and then add water to completely fill the reservoir. And now once your reservoir is filled, you're going to press the grounds button, then press clean, and hit start brew to begin the cleaning cycle. Just a heads up, this isn't a fast process. It takes 75 minutes to complete this cycle, and the machine is going to cycle between pushing and pausing to let the solution do its job. So just sit back and let it run. Now once the clean cycle is finished, the machine will beep, the clock will say end, and the clean indicator will turn off. But hold up, we're not done yet. We're going to dump out the carafe and clean it. And we're going to wash the reservoir with warm soapy water to get rid of any leftover cleaner. Next, refill the reservoir with fresh water only, no solution this time. We're going to run a full carafe classic brew cycle with just water to rinse out the machine. You might want to do this rinse cycle twice just to be safe, because no one wants clean solution in their next cup of coffee. And after that, just give the carafe and the brew basket a final wash and you're good to go. Alright, now let's talk about descaling the espresso side of your machine. If your capsule brews are slowing down or taking forever, it's probably time for a clean. Also, if your screen says add water, of course, you can first add water and make sure the water tank is full and seated properly. And if the message won't go away, you can try running a water-only brew with the lever closed. If it's still nothing, then your machine probably has some mineral buildup and it's time for a full clean. And here's how you do it. First, make sure there's no capsule here and close the lever. Next, remove the adjustable cup tray. Now grab the Capsule Clean Cycle platform and place it on the front right side of the brewer. Remove the carafe lid and place it on the platform. Now add your cleaning solution. So I'm going to empty the other half of the bottle and add water to fill the reservoir up to the max line. Once the reservoir is ready, press the capsule button, then press clean and hit start brew to begin. This one takes a while too, up to 2 hours. So maybe plan on doing this on a Sunday afternoon after your morning coffee. The system again will push a little bit of solution, pause and repeat until it finishes everything in the reservoir. So just let it do its thing. Now once this cycle is done, the machine will beep and you will see end on the clock. So we're going to dump out the carafe and clean the reservoir with warm soapy water. And now fill the reservoir again with just clean water, and we're going to run 3 water-only Lungo brew cycles to flush the system completely. Once that is done, you're going to discard this rinse water, and that's it. Your Capsule Side is clean, descaled, and ready to brew like new. Alright guys, so descaling is a must if you want your Ninja coffee maker or any coffee machine to keep cranking out good quality tasting coffee day after day. So keep an eye on those indicator lights and aim to descale it once every 3 to 6 months depending on your water hardness, or you can just wait for the machine's light to give you the heads up. Taking care of your machine isn't just about keeping it clean, it is the key to making sure every single cup of coffee tastes amazing. And with that, we complete this video, my friends. I hope that you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!